Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Tochi Williams, a content creator and a teacher. Please, if you have not subscribed to Delolo TV, please do so and click the notification bell to get notified each time I upload an amazing content like this one you're watching. Then if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, I appreciate. On today's video, I am going to share with you everything you need to know about web scraping and the technologies that makes it work in 2022. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. We will continue after the short break. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back. You are still listening to Tochi Williams. Please, if you have not subscribed to Delolo TV, please do so and click the notification bell to get notified each time I upload an amazing content like this one you're watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate. As we know, data and information have become one of the most valuable commodities for business. Not only do business rely on data to do market research, evaluate the competition, identify trends, and for pricing intelligence, there isn't an industry today that wouldn't benefit from data. With the realization of the importance of data came a new handle: how to collect the data efficiently. This is where the technology of web scraping came into its own. By using web scraping tools along with data parsers and proxies, you can have the recipe for a consistent income of valuable data that you can use to improve various aspects of your business. Some providers like Smart Proxy even provide scrapers that include parsers and can easily be connected to one of their proxies for a seamless and straightforward solution. In this video, I am going to share with you everything you need to know about web scraping and reliable web scrapers that you can use. I will also share with you the link between scraping and data parsing, the important role both these processes have, and the benefits they offer. Finally, I will share with you some of the problems that you may encounter, such as parsing errors or bans. What is web scraping? Web scraping is the process of harvesting or collecting a specific data across many different websites. This data can be compiled into a single format, often something like Excel or similar, and from here it can be analyzed. In the past, this could have been done manually. Some scrolled through the websites and copied the necessary data into a document or spreadsheet. This was not the most effective way of doing this. It was very time consuming. However, with the advances of technology, we can now use programs to automate the process of web scraping so that the data can be collected faster and more efficiently. You can build your own web scrapers using the widely available open source code if you have some coding knowledge. Alternatively, you can use some already built programs like Octopass, ParserHub, or Scrapeboss. The collected data can then be analyzed and used to improve various aspects of your business. For example, you can use security, find business opportunities, such as starting your own aggregator business, and many more. Using a reliable proxy, preferably a residential proxy, with your web scraping and parsing tool is also recommended. The proxy will be the middleman between you and the website you are scraping. This will keep your information hidden and private. Using of proxy will also decrease the chances of being banned from a website while scraping, which means you can collect more data. This result is more accurate result from your scraping efforts. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. We will continue after the short break. Welcome back. You are still listening to Tochi Williams. Please, if you have not subscribed to Delolo TV, please do so and click the notification bell to get notified each time I upload an amazing content like this one you're watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate. Now, let's talk about the link between web scraping and data passing. Web scraping and data passing go hand in hand, which is why most good websites, good web scraping tools have built-in data passers, convert it into readable text. The web scraper can only convert data given to it. The web scraper cannot convert raw HTML without the parser, and the parser cannot collect the data independently. As such, these two are dependent on one another to deliver the end results, which is data that can be read and analyzed. Passing errors. Whenever we deal with data collection, problem can always crop up. The most common issue you may encounter with web scraping and data passing are passing errors. These errors occur when there is a problem with the syntax or code of your program, either the web scraping tool or the parser, or if your parser is outdated. Unfortunately, since the online landscape changes so frequently, data passers also need to be changed frequently, or they will stop working, resulting in parser error. Web scraping benefit for your business. There are a lot of ways that your business can benefit from web scraping. There is no area within your business that won't benefit from more data and information. Web scraping can benefit your sales and marketing by generating new leads, analyzing interest, and monitoring consumer sentiment. Another area where your business have noted benefits is in competitors' analysis and pricing. Scraping can help you compare prices with competitors, monitor how competitors are doing, and even what promotions are working for them. Having more data also provides benefit when it comes to strategy and product development. Having more data proves more beneficial when it comes to market strategy and product development. With web scraping, you can monitor market trends to help you plan marketing strategies. You can also monitor market trends, product sentiment, and popularity before adding new products to your business. You can also use web scraping to improve your PR and brand management by tracking any mentions of your companies, the sentiment surrounding it, your brand. Since your business can spot any negative before they can do any damage to your brand and reputation. Web scraping technology has come a long way. By knowing more about these scrapers and how they work, you can start using them now and get competitors. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to Delolo TV and click the notification bell to get notified each time I upload an amazing content like this one you just watched. Bye. Love you.